Pinning an app on your Google Pixel locks it open, preventing others from accessing your other apps or data. It's like turning your phone into a dedicated device for that specific app, ideal for kids, entertainment kiosks, or secure presentations. This is how it's done on your Pixel phone. The first thing you have to do is to enable the feature since it's disabled by default. To do that, launch the Settings app. Swipe up to find Security and Privacy, and once found, tap on it. Swipe up again and tap on More Security and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and you should see the option called App Pinning. Tap on it. Now tap the switch next to Use App Pinning to enable it, and confirm it by tapping OK. To pin an app, launch the app that you want to pin first. In this tutorial, let's use YouTube as an example. Once the app is opened, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle to open Overview. Look for the app's preview and tap its icon at the top. Now select Pin. This will immediately pin the app and you won't be able to use other apps without first unpinning it. So to unpin it, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold without lifting your finger until you see the text that says App Unpinned. And that's how you pin and unpin an app on your Google Pixel. Thanks for watching.